Hello you guys, welcome to another top edition of our brightening bar soaps. Here on this video you guys, I just discovered another bar soap that you guys will love so much. This Olivera bar soap, like I've been seeing the products for some time now, and then I've been wondering, why haven't I tried this product all this while? So I decided to just give it a try. The bar soap, to be precise. This product has a body lotion. I've seen the serum, I've seen the face cream, but then I decided to try the bar soap this time around. And you guys, this is the second pack that I'm using. The result has been very massive. On this video, we're going to be reviewing this bar soap and another bar soap, so make sure you watch this video to the end. To my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome, and if you're seeing this face for the first time or you are a new subscriber, you guys are welcome. You're welcome to the family. You guys, all of us here are family. Here on this channel, we talk about everything skincare, beauty, lifestyle, self-improvement and self-growth. If this sounds like any of the things you're interested in and you're still yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe and give me a very huge thumbs up. So without taking much of your time, let's dive into the business of the day. This particular bar soap is actually a clarifying and a glowing bar soap. This bar soap contains green olive, aloe vera extract. It also contains coconut oil and palm kernel oil. This soap is very nice, you guys. This is the second pack that I'm using. I've tried the first one and this is the second pack. Let me show you guys what it looks like inside. So this is the one I'm currently using. So this is it. It has this greenish color, and always look out for the expiry date. Okay, it's very important. This soap is going to help to gently cleanse your skin and also brighten your skin. You guys, this soap will give you a unified complexion. I noticed that just within 1 week to 2 weeks of using this bar soap has greatly improved my skin. This soap doesn't even leave your skin dry. It moisturizes your skin at the same time. Trust me guys, I'm not going to just come here and say what is not true. If it's bad, I will go ahead and tell you guys that it's bad. I will highly recommend this bar soap for you guys. I don't know for the other products, but Olivera bar soap, I will highly recommend it for you guys. If you're looking for something gentle and something that will cleanse your skin and gently brighten your skin, this is the best option for you. Just within the first to second week of using this soap, I started seeing this radiant effect already on my skin. It is going to help to unify your skin, and it's also going to help to fade out black spots. And one good thing about this soap again guys is that this soap is very affordable. Can you believe that this soap is just sold for 1,700? In some places 1,500 naira you can get this soap. Another major ingredient that is contained in this Olivera bar soap is vitamin E and vitamin C. They are going to help to nourish your skin, help you to glow your skin, and also serve as an antioxidant to protect you against sun damage and other environmental stressors. Let me teach you guys how to use this soap. If you want it to clear your dark spots, you're going to rub it in your palm and lather it, and then you gently apply it on those areas that you have dark spots. If you have black knuckles, you can also gently apply it. Take your time to massage those areas that you have hyperpigmentation, whether your knuckles, your knees, your neck. Just take your time and massage this soap. This soap does a very good job when it comes to cleansing properly. This soap does a very good job when it comes to brightening your skin and cleansing your skin. So the next bar soap we're going to be talking about, you guys, is the CT Plus. That's the Clear Therapy bar soap. This bar soap is also a very good brightening bar soap, and it also contains interesting ingredients like kojic acid, alpha hydroxy acid, and carrot oil. This bar soap, when used consistently, is going to help you fade away dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It is also going to help you brighten your skin. and even out your skin. If you're suffering from uneven skin tone, this soap is going to help you. This product is not actually a new product. It has been in the market for some time now. I've actually used the City Plus oil years back, and I can attest that their products are very good. But as for the bar soap, I just realized that the bar soap is actually very good too recently. I didn't actually use it directly, but since I was using the Olivera, so I gave my sister the other one to try it out so that I'll be able to review it. And the soap has been very good on her skin, you guys. You know, sometimes when you're tired of going through all the new bar soaps that we have in the market, once in a while go back to the old ones that we have and try them out. It is possible that they are doing better now and they are doing well. You can also get this bar soap for as low as 2,500 to 4,000 naira, also depending on your location. So you can try any of this bar soap, either the City Plus or the Olivera bar soap. Both of them are very good. They're going to help to brighten your skin and you're going to get value for your money, you guys. Just be consistent, okay? Just be consistent and you will see results. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, you guys. And if you're still yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscription button and don't forget to like my videos, you guys. Like my videos, please. Like my videos, okay? And don't forget to turn on the notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first to be notified. See you guys in our next. Bye.